Today is the day. We have been talking about this all summer long. Today I am finally gonna make a New England treat. We're making lobster rolls. Lobster rolls!
We are up here in New England for our third summer of work camping. This is the land of lobster rolls. So we have had our fair share this summer and we have always wanted to make them ourselves. Yeah. A little cheaper to make it yourself. So we're doing it today. Anyway. Yeah, exactly. We think so.
Market Basket is the local grocer here, and we've heard that they will actually cook the lobsters for you. So you can just take them home and break them down and turn them into lobster roll form, which is what we're going to do today.
Yep.
I've kind of like devised my own recipe of a lobster roll preference from the ones that we've tried. So again, this is going to be my first time. We're going to bring you guys with us. I think we're even going to bring you to Market Basket.
Market Basket.
Market Basket. I don't know if I'm saying that right. We're going to bring you guys with us, see what we get. I mean, I'm hoping they'll cook them for us. This is what we've heard.
Yeah. Market Basket is a treat in itself, so come with us.
It's like going back into the 70s, baby. Luckily, our Market Basket is only 8 minutes away. We're starting to get little autumn pops throughout the trees. I'm ready for fall though. We enjoyed the summer, but I'm definitely ready for fall.
It's the middle of September and it is happening around here in New Hampshire, southern New Hampshire. Look, there's some red in that
tree. That was like orange. Oh my gosh.
Like every day when you go out, it
see a little more.
Do you want a corn stalk?
For only $5.99.
What do you do with them?
That's a good question. Let us know in the comments, what are corn stalks for? Decoration?
Do you plant these? Oh, decoration. Maybe that's what they're for. Can you like plant them?
Maybe.
Start your own corn maze?
Welcome to Market Basket.
These are the best kettle chips. Has anybody heard of Wrap City?
These chips are so good. They're perfectly how they describe them, sweet and salty. They're amazing, and they're gonna go perfectly with our lobster rolls.
Caramel apple cookie mix.
I'm in. Into the bed.
We love Market Basket. This is our local grocery store, but it is a little bit like going back in time compared to what we are used to. But we're heading to the seafood department. We made it to the seafood department. It looks like lobster is $8.99 a pound right now. It's not the cheapest it's been all year, but
no, we waited too long.
They have some already prepared here, so because we're gonna eat it cold, it doesn't have to be hot. So we're just debating on how much we should get. This is 2.5 pounds.
3.5.
3.5.
It'll give us 6 pounds, plenty of lobster rolls.
6 pounds?
Maybe some left over. While we're here, we're gonna grab a couple. These coffee milks are absolutely delicious.
It's a Wednesday afternoon, and there is lines out to wazoo here at Market Basket. This is the place to be.
Apparently.
They heard KandERVTV was gonna be here.
So I'm
pretty sure, is there like a hurricane coming or something?
This is crazy.
Where's the water aisle? Let's check the water aisle. Okay.
I love the grocery store jams.
Very important part of the lobster rolls is the bread. So we found these top slice sweet Hawaiian rolls.
I think it'll be fun, a little sweet. We'll toast them up a bit. I think we're making like Hawaiian lobster rolls.
Erin made me go get Dawn. I found this apple one. Can we get this one?
Yes, we can. As long as it's John, because it is by far the best dish detergent around.
Smells good.
Smells like fall?
Maybe it'll make me wash dishes.
I would love that. That'd be great.
Did you bring any money for this?
I hope you brought them.
Nope. And that's why we just pay with free money.
Plastic.
It's like
Plastic,
free,
baby.
right?
Right?
Just like that, we spent 216 bucks, Erin.
And we didn't even get our corn stalk.
We forgot the corn.
Shoot.
Bonus of living in New Hampshire, Erin?
No sales tax.
No sales tax.
We appreciate that.
Yay! Fail. Yo, the grocery store is exhausting.
It really is. I normally do the grocery shopping on my own, so when Kim comes, she's like, oh my God. I'm like, yeah, girl, it ain't easy.
All right, we're back from Market Basket, and I'm gonna get a fire going, and then we're gonna start cleaning our lobsters. I am not often wrong when I say things, but at the beginning of this video I said this was going to be a cheaper option.
I don't think so. I mean, I guess we'll see how many lobster rolls we end up with for $55 worth of lobster.
We spent $55 on lobster.
So
I don't know why we got so much, but I think we're going to be feeding our neighbors tonight.
Maybe.
Some lobster rolls too.
We'll see.
Ooh, these are
Stinky. I've never dissected a lobster ever. This will be my first time.
It's not my first time, but I don't have much practice with lobster. I have a lot more practice with crabs.
Oh, it's dripping on my feet already.
It's dripping on your feet. Yummy.
Oh, they have eyeballs still. I don't know if I found a... I don't know how I'm feeling.
You regretting our decision?
Maybe.
Erin doesn't like things that look like they were once alive.
And these definitely...
Hold on. Oh my God, how many do you have? One, two. I got three.
And 4.
We have 7 lobsters.
Oh my gosh.
How fun is this?
This is crazy.
New England lobsters. But they actually may come from Canada. We're not sure exactly where they come from.
They're from the north.
They're from... Should we put like a bib on or an apron?
I don't know what we should do. I don't even know if we have the proper tools. We have a couple pairs of scissors, a little tenderizing mallet.
All right, Erin, how you doing?
I'm not sure. We'll see. Oh, look, I think I got a good piece. Oh, gonna claw me.
Get out of the poop. Maybe we should have just went and got BOGO lobster rolls at KandERVTV.
Well, this
wouldn't be as fun.
exactly. I was like, this is, you know, we're getting experience.
Does anyone take the time to get anything out of the legs? I'm not.
Ooh, she's just dripping. Good thing we're doing this outside.
Yeah, we were like, let's do this outside.
It's a dirty job, y'all.
How's it going, Erin?
This is the amount that we have. Feels like a couple pounds at least.
Once you get the meat out of the tail, you gotta pull back like the little flap, and then that's where all the poop is.
The poo-poo.
See that poop line? So we gotta get the poop out.
I think we're gonna go maybe rinse that in the thing.
This is how much lobster meat we got out of that 6 pounds of lobster.
I wish we had a scale to weigh out the lobster because I'm just kind of like guessing. I think it's maybe around 2 pounds-ish from
I'd
7
say a
lobsters.
pound and a half.
Yeah, so we're gonna kind of go with that. So I'm gonna kind of like guesstimate what we need. So we're gonna make our like mayo base first for our rolls. So I'm gonna do maybe like a 1/3 cup of mayo. Now I'm gonna add a little lemon zest. I don't have a zester, so we're just gonna use my grater here.
You live in an RV, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Make things work. That smells really good though. Then we're gonna take that same lemon that we just got the zest from and about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Trying to make sure I don't leave any seeds in there. I'm gonna do about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And the same for some black pepper. I'm actually using a peppercorn medley.
We're fancy.
Oh, we're fancy like that. Now we're gonna dice up some chives, about a tablespoon worth or so.
Runaway chives.
We're gonna give this a little mixy mix.
Here's our finished product of our lobster roll.
I'm pretty excited about it.
Right?
Looks good.
So Aaron cooked the lobster in butter, heated it up a little bit,
And then twist it in the mayonnaise mixture that we made earlier and toasted the buns. And here you have it. I did put a little sprinkle of dried dill on top of mine because I'm a dill fan.
So this is kind of like a mixture between a Maine roll and a Connecticut roll.
Which is my preference.
So yeah.
I normally get a mayo roll and then I pour melted butter on top. I'm like, well, we're going to just start with that and then put it in the mayo. So
Yeah,
best of both worlds.
the Maine roll is the cold roll with mayo, and the Connecticut is the hot with the hot butter.
Yeah, so I like them together. It's
I'm
time.
excited.
Me too.
I've been waiting all summer
I know.
for you to make this for us.
Finally, we're like, you know what? We're doing it tonight.
Cheers.
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 We're watching Big Brother outside, in case you're wondering.
What'd you think of that?
That's so good.
That's like the perfect combination.
Wow.
So good. This lobster's really good too.
It is. All right, Market Basket. Okay. Oh, cheers, by the way, everybody.
Cheers. Hope everyone's having a good evening. Did you hear that?
We have murder acorns falling from the sky.
Murder acorns.
They hit the RV and the roof, and it sounds like a freaking
Well, because the acorns,
baseball bat.
acorns are like this big. So literally, when they hit the roof of the RV, it sounds so loud. And
intense.
a lot of time it like scares us.
Or wake you up real quick,
Yeah,
too.
for real.
But no, this is so good.
These Rap City chips. I love them. I'm digging the bread too. It's really like holding up nice.
The Hawaiian roll is,
The Hawaiian
I think,
roll.
a nice touch.
Yeah, the sweet.
I know often they're served on like a brioche bun or whatever, but I really like the Hawaiian bun.
Sometimes they just are served on hot dog buns. You never know. But it's really good. This lobster just tastes so fresh too. Yummy.
It's time to take this stinky lobster carcass garbage to the dumpster because we're not keeping it in the RV overnight. And we can't leave it outside because the raccoons will come.
And our friend who works for us on our days off so rudely brought the cart to us, reminding us that we have to go to work tomorrow.
Yes, we actually work in housekeeping here at our campground for the summer.
There's our
In New
work
Hampshire.
What's her name?
I think Snow White.
Snow White?
I
Okay,
think
this is Snow White.
we finally decided to name y'all. You guys suggested what we should name our golf cart. And I think we're going with Snow White.
Because we have Vanna White.
Feels right.
No, I mean, Betty White is our car.
Betty White is our car. Oh, when we were in Iceland recently, we decided to name our van because we took a van around Iceland and camped in it. And we named her Vanna White.
We forgot to say it in the video.
And our RV's name is Lucy, in case you're new here. And we still have to name our tent. Stay tuned. It's nice right now at our campground because after Labor Day, it kind of gets slow. The kids go back to school. So there's not a lot of campers here during the week. So we kind of have the place to ourselves, which we enjoy.
Bye. Well, the raccoons will enjoy that.
Yeah, they will. I am so impressed how the lobster rolls turned out, honestly. They were like some of the best I've had. And it was nice to make them fresh and eat them right away.
We even gave one to our friend here at the park, and she loved it, said it was the best roll she ever had.
She even posted about it on her Facebook because she enjoyed it so much. But they were really, really good, and honestly not that much work. I mean, besides breaking the lobster apart, which wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be initially.
Well, we were wondering, they were kind of soft, but we were wondering because they got steamed and then they were cooled, that maybe made the shell softer. We don't know.
I don't know.
We're
But
not sure. We don't
it
have a lot of experience.
didn't take a lot of elbow grease. I literally just used my hands to crack them open.
And it was a lot, well, we're more experienced eating crab.
Yeah.
It was a lot easier.
Way easier, in
Bigger
my
chunks of
opinion,
meat.
than eating like blue crab, like taking apart a blue crab. But I mean, it turned out really, really good. I really like the recipe it kind of came up with. I'm definitely writing that down. We'll be making that again one day. I mean, we were trying to figure out, was it like worth the work and the price? I mean, we ended up getting like basically like 5 decent sized rolls.
5 decent sized rolls, yeah.
For like the 60-ish bucks that it costs for all the ingredients. And then the time to make it, but I mean, they were really, really good.
A little over $10 a roll.
Yeah, and the fact that we made them our own, you know, made them how we like them. So, I mean, and it was experience too. Like, it was fun to like make them ourselves, you know. I want to know like how you dress up your lobster rolls if you've made them before. Please let me know in your comments, because maybe we try another recipe if we do this again. I don't know, but I'm just curious what you guys like.
So we're thinking in our next vlog that we may do like a work camping video, kind of like a day in the life of our work camping life here in southern New Hampshire, what our jobs kind of entail and what work camping is.
Yeah, we've had a few of you actually ask about it. We filmed one, I actually think last year, but we'd be happy to do another video, especially towards the end of the season. So there's not as many people here, so we're a little more comfortable filming around the campground, not making, you know, other people feel uncomfortable anyway. So I think that might be our next vlog. So if you're interested in that, make sure you hit your notification bell and make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss anything that we're getting into.
All right, y'all, hope you enjoyed the video.
Yes, if you did, please hit your like button. Again, if you're new here or you have not subscribed, please do so. We are best friends. We live full-time in our RV, so we would love to have you along for the ride. So please hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, y'all.
My hands still smell like stinky lobsters.